Hello everybody, myself Shweta. I have a PG degree in chemistry from VIT University. In addition to that, I have BI degree in biological sciences. I have qualified Central Teachers Eligibility Test Examination. Previously, I worked as a chemistry lecturer in an engineering college. Currently, I'm a homemaker and taking care of my two children, also conducting home tuitions offline for school students. As I understand, going forward, virtual mode of learning would be more beneficial for teachers as well as students than physical mode of learning. So I would prefer online teaching. In this session, we'll see about the topic ecosystem. Let's get into the topic. So the today's topic is ecosystem. So first let us see what's the definition of an ecosystem. So the ecosystem is a combination of both living or biotic things and non-living or abiotic things in a geographical area. So we'll see what is biotic and non-biotic. So biotic things are also living things are also called as biotic and non-living things are also called as abiotic. So the examples of non-living things include land, water, soil, air, etc. as you can see in the picture. And living things examples include plants, animals, aquatic life, human beings, etc. So, in brief, the ecosystem is a combination of both non-living and living things in a geographical area. So, in this slide, as you can see, the ecosystem is the combination of trees, animals, plants, human beings, aquatic life, buildings, volcanoes, mountains, etc., which forms the part of the ecosystem. So next we'll see the types of ecosystem. So basically there are two types of ecosystems, natural and artificial. So natural means it is created naturally and artificial it is created by the humans. So the natural ecosystem is majorly divided into two types, that is terrestrial and aquatic. So terrestrial ecosystem is land based and aquatic ecosystem is water based. So the terrestrial ecosystem is again of three types, that is grasslands, forest and desert ecosystems, and aquatic ecosystems are of two types, which includes freshwater and marine ecosystems. So in this video you can see the natural ecosystems examples. So this includes the grassland ecosystems, aquatic ecosystems, and finally desert ecosystems, which forms the natural ecosystem. So next, artificial ecosystems are human made. So the examples include zoo, gardens, aquariums, dams, etc. So in this video, you can see the artificial aquarium which is created by the human beings, which is an best example for artificial ecosystems. So in this slide, you can see the food cycle. So in the ecosystem, food cycle is plays a major role. So the food cycle basically involves three levels, that is producers, consumers, and decomposers. So first we'll see what are producers. So producers are also called as autotrophs. So what are autotrophs? So the things, the examples are plants. So plants make their own food by utilizing the energy from the sunlight, and through the process of photosynthesis they make their own food. So the plants are called as producers or autotrophs. And next level includes primary consumers. So they are also called as herbivores. So what are herbivores? Herbivores are the animals which feed on plant-based food. Okay, the examples include grasshopper, giraffe, elephant, etc. So the primary consumers or herbivores are the animals which feed on plant-based food. And next level includes secondary consumers. So the secondary consumers are of two types, that is omnivores and carnivores. So what are carnivores? Carnivores are the animals which feed on animal-based food. And omnivores, examples, human beings, feed both on plant and animal-based food. So these are the secondary consumers. Finally, the decomposers. So decomposers feed on the dead organic matter of plants and animals, and they decompose them, and in this way the nutrients are recycled back into the earth. So in this slide you can see the examples for herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So herbivores examples are cows eating grass, and carnivore an eagle eating fish, and omnivores, that is we human beings, feed both on plant and animal based food. And finally earthworm, a decomposer which decomposes the dead matter. Hope my session is helpful and you like this session. Thank you.